13 Amazing health benefits of ginger tea. Ginger is a fleshy spice which is brown in color. It has a pungent smell and a very hot taste. It is useful for curing many common diseases and is widely used in India for home remedies. Ginger can also be used to make tea that contains many vitamins and minerals like vitamin C and magnesium. Ginger tea can be taken with lemon juice, honey, or peppermint. Ginger tea is also known as Adrak chai in Hindi, Alum tea in Telugu, and Inji tea in Tamil. Let us quickly look at some of the benefits of ginger tea, a wonderful gift of nature. Ginger tea benefits. 1. Motion sickness. It can help in soothing nerves. This is useful to prevent vomiting, headaches and migraines. It is also useful to get rid of a jet lag after a long trip. 2. Stomach discomfort. It plays a vital role in proper digestion, which indirectly improves food absorption and avoids stomach pain. This can also help you to keep away from unnecessary belching. This improves your appetite by releasing gastric acids. 3. Reduces inflammation. It is useful for treating inflammation of the joints, like rheumatoid arthritis. It can help you get rid of tiredness, swelling and puffiness of sore muscles and joints. Ginger tea is advised in case of athlete's foot to prevent pain, burning sensation, and itching. 4. Asthma. Drinking ginger tea is beneficial in case of asthma. Ginger helps to loosen phlegm and expand the lungs, which in turn helps to recover from difficult breathing. It also reduces allergies and constant sneezing. 5. Blood circulation. Drink a cup of ginger tea to improve blood flow, prevent fever, chills, and excessive sweating. Ginger contains active compounds like minerals and amino acids that are useful in smooth blood flow and in preventing cardiovascular diseases. 6. Menstrual discomfort. Place a hot towel dipped in ginger tea on your uterine area. This will help you to get relief from pain and will relax the muscles. Drinking ginger tea will also give you a soothing effect. 7. Immunity. It contains antioxidants that boost the immune system. Drinking a cup of ginger tea daily will cut the risk of a stroke as well as fatty deposits in the arteries. Ginger tea also lowers cholesterol levels and gives amazing results. 8. Relieves stress. Drink a cup of ginger tea to boost your mood and stay refreshed and calm. Ginger tea is a proven stress reliever due to its relaxing scent. 9. Fertility. Ginger contains aphrodisiac properties. Ginger tea helps to improve the sperm quality and male fertility if consumed daily by men. It also helps in treating erectile dysfunction in males. 10. Cough and cold. Drink a cup of ginger tea if you frequently suffer from cough and a runny nose. This helps to loosen phlegm and relax the respiratory system. It imparts warmness to the body and leaves you feeling fresh. 11. Cancer. It has been proven to cure cancer, including ovarian cancer, by eradicating the cancer cells. 12. Alzheimer's disease. Include more ginger in your daily diet to cure or prevent Alzheimer's disease. Ginger tea reduces the loss of brain cells and protects these cells for long. 13. Weight loss. Ginger tea plays an integral role in the process of losing weight and living a positive life. It is a fat burner that burns excess fat and does not affect the general weight. Ginger tea can help you feel full, which helps to reduce your calories and shed weight. How to make ginger tea. Now let's learn how to make ginger tea. Ingredients required. Ginger root, fresh and about 3 ounces. Water, boiled and approximately 3 cups. Honey/maple syrup/brown sugar, to taste. Lemon juice, optional for taste. Apple, optional for taste. Method to prepare ginger tea. 1. The ginger roots should be thoroughly washed to remove the dirt. Try and scrub it for best results. This should be done under flowing water to clean it effectively. 2. The first step should be followed by peeling the skin of the ginger and then cutting or chopping it into fine pieces. 3. Peeling can be avoided in case you have followed the cleaning procedure well. However, make sure that you cut the ginger safely and avoid injuries. 4. In a pan, put some water to boil. The next is the main step that can be followed in different ways as below. A steeping method. You can add the boiling water to a kettle to which you have already added the freshly chopped ginger root. Cover the lid to ensure that the liquid is warm. This will also prevent the aroma to fade. The steeping should be done for at least 15 minutes. B. Simmering method. In case the water is being boiled in a saucepan, you can directly add the ginger to it and then let it simmer on low flame for the next 20 minutes. Switch off the heat and let it be for the next 5 minutes before using the liquid. 4. After using any one of the methods mentioned above, you can strain the liquid in a cup using a clean mesh strainer. 4. Add your preferred sweetener and flavor of lemon or apple to the ginger tea and then serve or consume it immediately. 5. This can be taken warm or else stored in a jar in the refrigerator and then consumed at cold temperatures. 5 tips for the preparation. 1. Store the leftover ginger tea in the refrigerator and drink it as ginger ale or iced tea. This is also a perfect drink to serve the guests with, especially those who are health conscious. 2. Mix the ginger with peppermint to get a far better taste. It also has more benefits attached. 3. The ratio for a perfect cup of tea is 3 teaspoons of grated ginger and a cup of boiling water. 4. To give it a spicy twist, add a pinch of cinnamon powder to it. 5. Do not add sweeteners if you have a particular health goal to meet or some disease to cure. Side effects of ginger tea. Ginger tea can cause restlessness and sleeplessness. Gallstones patients should not drink ginger tea. Ginger tea should not be taken during pregnancy. Avoid ginger tea on an empty stomach, as it can cause stomach upset. Overdose can cause diarrhea, irritation, nausea, and heartburn. Tell us whether you love your cup of ginger tea. Or, are you planning to try it soon?